Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand about desired and current states of a Terraform state file on a very high level. So in detail, we are going to see that anyway in the section 0702 Terraform state commands. So there we'll understand about Terraform show, refresh, plan, state, force unlock, taint, untaint, and many of these things in a detailed manner. At that point of time, we are going to learn more detail about desired state and then current state, and also the drift, about the Terraform resources drift and all those things. But for now, the core focus is on what is desired state and then what is current state on a high level. So the desired state is nothing but the local Terraform manifest configuration files, which is nothing but all star.tf files. And the current state is nothing but the real resources present in your cloud, which is nothing but the current state of the Terraform. These two are the terminologies, desired state and then current state. So we need to understand the terminology. So that's the reason we are trying to explain it here. So the current state is nothing but your real world infrastructure or real world resources. Here in the real world, already I provisioned a EC2 instance. So this is the current state of my EC2 instance. And when I come here, the desired state is nothing but my respective configuration files, c1 versions.cf, c2 ec2 instance.tf. So these are called the desired state. So why these are called desired states? Okay, so if you go here and Terraform state desired and current, so the configuration files are called desired states, and then whatever is provisioned is called the current state in the Terraform terminology. So why this is called desired state? So we can understand current state. So whatever is provisioned, we can say that as current state. But why you need to call this Terraform configuration files as the desired state will be the real question here. Okay, so the thing is, these are the input files for our infrastructure to be provisioned here, correct, right? So if these input files, if I change from update 1 to update 2, let's consider. So now what am I expecting on my real world environment? So I changed the file tag to update test 2. So in the real world environment, I am expecting that tag to be changed to update 2. So which means from here I am expecting that, which means my desired configuration I am expecting is this one to be on the real world. So that's the reason you can call this as the desired state always. Okay, so which is required state for me. So that's the main thing. So this lecture is primarily to tell you that what is desired state and what is current state, and then how we are going to handle it, and then with the different Terraform state level commands and all those things we'll see in the Terraform command section, which is 0702. Okay, so with that said, moving on to the next step, which is nothing but cleanup. So whatever the EC2 instance running, so let's go ahead and then say Terraform destroy, and if you want you can provide auto approve or wait for the confirmation. So destroy is always good to review what it is going to destroy in detail. Like this, it prints the plan, execution plan, what it is going to delete. So you can review everything in detail and then only say yes, instead of providing the auto approve like this directly. Okay, and once this is done, so as we are going to also so I'll comment this and I'll change the system to the old way. Okay, so once it is deleted, so what I'll do is I'll put it in the old way for your learning. So which means like how we have started the section at that point, how the configuration files are there like that, so that you can execute the demos effectively. So I commented this tag 1, I commented this availability zone whatever we have added, and I'll remove the .terraform lock.htcl and then state files, all these things. Okay, so let me save this and I'll also remove these things for now. Okay, so rm.terraform and also one more, which is terraform.tf state files. Okay, so with that said, now if you see here, only you will have the c1 versions.tf and then c2 ec2 instance.tf. So when you start this section from step 1 for your learning, so everything will be in the line how you want to start and then proceed. Okay, so this completes the section from Terraform resources, which is resource syntax and then behavior. Okay, so in our next lecture we'll focus on learning the meta argument for a resource whose name is depends on. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, Bye bye. Thank you.